All right, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It is already August 9th, 2022. Time is flying. And this is just a quick video for tonight. Not going to waste y'all's time if you do like wasting it with me. But Nvidia just released a new driver. Do not update to the newest Nvidia driver if you are a GPU miner. Let me reference this right here. Hold on. Where are we at? Boom, boom. All right, so this was on Hive official. So Nvidia released a new driver 510.85.02, which forces LHR cards to revert back to LHR status, meaning hash rates are capped again. When updating drivers for LHR cards, this is inside of Hive. Nvidia driver update should be used with the -S or --stable switch to ensure version 510.73.05 is installed instead. So be super careful on that. I'm imagining this is a Linux driver, but I think this carries over onto the Windows side of things too. So if you get the latest Windows driver, you will now have LHR also. I don't update my drivers very often, my graphics card drivers. So I have an LHR card in this Windows machine, and it's still doing full hash rate on NB Miner. But I mean, yeah, so just word to the wise, be careful what driver you're running. I believe they still offer older drivers. You can go and actually download an older driver if you need it. It's not like they're taking it away, but they're just making it a little bit harder, and I don't know why. Like, why would they re-enable LHR? You know, what's what's the what's the reasoning behind that? So, but before we get off here, let's go ahead and roll through. Where are we at? We'll go to coin. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Coin market cap and take a look at some prices. Bitcoin is at $22,891. Ethereum's at $1,681. Going further down the list, Ripple XRP Ripples 36 cents. I guess it's technically not Ripple, it's just XRP. Anyway, Dogecoin 6.8 cents. What else? Ethereum Classic doing pretty strong, $37.75. Litecoin $58.53, and we'll wrap it up with good old Monero, $157.94. So we're still looking pretty strong. My farm is doing right at 3.1 gigahash. We're having some unstableness during the day because it's getting pretty hot, but on average 3 gigahash is doing $73 a day. Pretty happy with that, and that comes out to 0.043 Ethereum per day, 0.3 per week, and 1.3 monthly, and that's right at $2,224 a month if it held. So we're doing decent. Mining is still pretty good. So yeah, hope everybody else is having a good day. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, adios. Short and sweet. Hope you liked it. Yeah. Dang, I said a lot tonight. I apologize for that. I'm gonna go get some sleep now. Bye.